Hi everybody, it's Deborah from Stamp On It, and this is a brief video on one of our new product lines, and it is our Shaker Sheet Card Kits. I'll say that right. Shaker Sheet Card Kits. And I'm just going to go through what the kit is. We do have an instructional tutorial video that's going to literally teach you, if you need that, how to put these together. That will be coming out, if it's not out already, that will be out shortly. And there will be a link off from the product, off from our Shaker Sheet kits, and off from our Shaker Sheet sheets that you will be able to click on and watch that card project. So let's get started here. I'm just going to very quickly show you how to work with these. I'm going to set these samples aside and in the kit, and I'm going to use our Spooky Nights for an example, but certainly you can do this same thing with any of the kits. The kits are pretty uniform as far as what's in them and so on and so forth, and working with them. So first of all, in the kit, you get one sheet of our glitter film, one sheet of our Shaker Sheet acetate. And a Shaker Sheet acetate is a sheet that is designed to be used for creating shaker card kits, where you create that box that you can put shaker beads or items in. All right, and Sharon will go into more detail in the actual class project video, but the sheet is designed, it has no measure cutting lines, so when you cut on those lines, everything will line up perfectly. All right, so you don't have to worry about if it's going to line up and all that stuff. Also in your kit will be 2 sheets of outline stickers, and those stickers will coordinate with the image and the theme and the color. You will also get overlays, and in some of the kits, for example, this kit you get cream or white, but in some kits you will have a choice of black, wild cherry red, and so on and so forth, depending on the kit. But you will be able to pick those options, and if they are available on that product on the website, you'll see the option screen pop up, and it won't let you place the order for that kit until you actually select those options. It'll keep reminding you, you missed an option. So also in the kit will be cream or white cardstock, pre-scored with coordinating envelopes, and these are A6 cards. So the card is a little bit larger than a standard A2, which is really nice when you're working with the shakers, because it gives you a little bit more room to create and a little bit more working space on the actual card. And the envelopes will coordinate, so they will be the size of the A6 and fit perfectly. All right. So that will also be in the kit. So you'll have 3 of everything, 3 cards, 3 envelopes, 3 overlays, 2 sheets of outline stickers. You'll have your sheet of glitter film, you'll have your sheet of shaker acetate, and you will also have the shaker beads or items to put in your actual shaker box. So you don't have to worry about buying those separately if you don't want to. I know some people have them already, but a lot of people do not. So they will also come in the kit for you. The thing that is not in the kit that you may need to add if you don't already have, and some do, is the foam mounting tape. And Sharon will go into detail on how to work with that to create your shaker box and how to make it so that those beads and items shake perfectly. So I'll just show you these samples again. These are all from this particular kit, just different layouts and different versions. You will be able to create 3 cards from each kit, and you will have leftover stickers and things too, which you can use on the inside of your card if you wish, or you can add to the outside and embellish more. Just depends on your creativity and how much you want to put into it. Okay, so that is our Shaker Sheet card kits. We also have the Winter Bridge, we have Fall Feathered Friends, we have forgot the other one, but there's other ones coming out, so watch for those to come out also. So check them out on our website, www.stamponit.net. If you have any questions, email us right off from our site. We would love to hear from you. So I hope you enjoy this new product line. Have a great day.